So I'm Dennis Carriere, and I did the Big Data Analytics internship with Dr. Fannin, Andrew Garcia, and Dr. Guidry. So the objective of my internship was to create value-added data visualizations for the ag summary data set that LSU AgCenter produces every year. Now, the issue with it was that it's a large data set with a lot of filterable kind of topics, such as like year, commodity type, and parish, because it's a parish-based data set. So the other kind of task that I had to do was implement these learning competencies that Dr. Blanchard had given us into my main objective, creating the data visualizations. So the way I did that, and the way Dr. Fannin and Andrew helped me with that, was something called a mind map, which you could see here that for week 5 and 6, I was focusing on innovation management. That was the critical competency. And basically it shows the objectives for the week, for those 2 weeks, and then kind of the process that I would go through to achieve and attain the competency. So after that was completed, I was able to focus more on the data visualizations. Now, since Ag Summary is used by almost all of the A&R agents that AgCenter employs, I was able to send out a survey that I created. And basically that survey contained questions that where we were more able to focus how we could manipulate the data set in order to better help the needs of those A&R agents. And here I just took 4 questions, and this is called Microsoft Forms, and basically it helps you summarize each question. You can see each question, and then these were their options. And basically, once this was done, I was able to use this data to form the visualizations. So this is called, I created this using Power BI, Microsoft Power BI. And basically, this is what a dashboard is. I connected the data set to it and then created these visualizations. So I'm basically able to filter on the year. Let's see, let's do 2017. Horses for St. Tammany Parish, and you're able to see the gross farm value for that parish for horses. And then we go to the next one, and I actually created this AgCenter region map with another application. So you could do the same thing, 2017, scroll down to horses, you can select your parish, and then this map will zoom in on the AgCenter region that it's in. And you can also see that's also 47 million. Let me go back. And this is a timeline that I created to kind of show the gross farm value over the period of the data that we had, which was 2003 to 2017. And we go ahead and do the same thing for horses. And then St. Tammany Parish. And you can see the gross farm value over time for the horses for that parish. And that was the kind of the main objective of my internship. Now, a few other projects that I completed was a socioeconomic database, which I connected into these 4 ERS, census, the BLS, and BEA data sets using an API, which is basically, for lack of knowledge, it's basically just my computer talking with their servers so I can pass through data. And I basically compiled all the data in a single database so the AgCenter economists can just log in with ease of access and download whatever data they need. And also the how-to guides, I was able to create a flowchart for each process, for each project that I completed. So in the future, if somebody needed to complete the same project, they could just go look at those steps and they could complete it. So as a result of this internship, I will continue my education with either the Masters of Agricultural Economics in the College of Agriculture for LSU or a Masters of Data Analytics in the Business College. And then after I complete my master's degree, I would like to go work as a data scientist for a commodity trading firm. Any questions?